Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to my new video. Today, I will share a heart-touching story with you. A story about a village. A village where people forgot how to smile. Yes, my friends, this is the story of the village without smiles. It is a simple story, but it carries a deep message. A message about kindness. A message about hope. A message about how one small action can change many lives. So sit comfortably, relax your mind, and listen to this beautiful journey. I hope this story touches your heart and inspires you today. There was a small village, a beautiful village. Green trees, clear water, fresh air. The birds sang every morning. The river flowed softly. But one strange thing, no one smiled. People walked silently. People worked silently. People lived silently. No happiness, no excitement, no laughter. Every day felt the same. Every morning felt heavy. Children did not play. Adults did not talk. Old people did not share stories. Every home felt empty. Every face looked tired. It felt like time had stopped. One day, a traveler came to the village. A simple man with a small bag. He looked around and felt shocked. Why is everyone so sad? He wondered. He had never seen such silence. The traveler walked to the market. He smiled at a shopkeeper. The shopkeeper did not smile back. He just looked down. He looked frightened to express feelings. The traveler bought some fruit. He said, "Thank you." But the shopkeeper said nothing. Just silence everywhere. Even the wind felt quiet. The traveler felt strange. He asked an old man, "Why doesn't anyone smile here?" The old man replied, "Smiles disappeared long ago, my son. People became busy. People became worried. People forgot to be happy. They forgot how to share joy." The traveler felt sad. He wanted to help. He thought deeply for a moment. Then he got an idea. A simple but powerful idea. He stood in the middle of the village. He opened his bag. Inside the bag, there were small papers. Hundreds of papers. On each paper, he wrote a message. A small message. A simple message. A message of kindness. Have a good day. You are strong. You are important. You can start again. Everything will be okay. You matter. Your smile is beautiful. He walked door to door. He gave one paper to each person. A child, a mother, a farmer, a teacher, an old man, even people hiding inside their homes. Everyone looked confused. No one understood what he was doing, but everyone took the paper. One old woman opened her paper. It said, "You deserve happiness." Her eyes filled with tears. She had not heard those words in years. Her heart felt warm again. A young boy opened his paper. It said, "You are brave." He smiled a little. Just a small smile. but it was a beginning. Slowly, the traveler started telling small stories. Funny stories, cute stories, kind stories. Stories that made people remember joy again. Stories that touched every heart. Children gathered around him. They started laughing softly. Farmers listened while working. Mothers smiled while cooking. The village started changing. Hope returned to the houses. One evening, the traveler lit a small lamp in the village square. He said, "This lamp is the lamp of kindness. Anyone can come here, listen, talk, or smile." That night, 10 people came. The next night, 20 people came. Then 50 people. Then the whole village. People shared stories. People shared memories. People shared hopes. Slowly, smiles returned. A child laughed loudly. A mother clapped happily. An old man told jokes. People hugged each other. People felt alive again. The village became bright. The village became warm. The village became happy. One morning, the traveler prepared to leave. The villagers asked him, "Why are you leaving?" He smiled and said, "My work is done. I did not give you happiness. I only reminded you that it was already inside you." The villagers thanked him with love. And for the first time in many years, the whole village smiled together. A simple reminder, a small act of kindness, a little love can change a whole village. Thank you, my dear friends, for listening to this heart-touching story. I hope you felt the message. I hope you understood the power of kindness. And I hope this story reminds you to bring a small smile to someone's face every day. A small smile can create big change. Your little kindness can light someone's heart. If you enjoyed this story, please like the video, comment your thoughts, and subscribe to my channel. Your support always motivates me to create more simple English stories for you. Your encouragement gives me strength. Take care of yourself. Stay kind, stay positive, and keep practicing English every day. Practice will make you confident. I will see you again in the next video. Have a wonderful day, and keep smiling. Your smile makes the world brighter.